Today we will work with symbol libraries. The new project called Lesson 1 will serve as our playground. Please note this checkbox that creates a new folder for the project files with the same name as the project. Let's start with a minimum schematic using AISLER lovely library symbols. It will be the simplest common emitter switch with a digital BJT. At the input there will be a simple 2-pole header. The same header will be in the output. Formally, there will be ground here. After the annotation, we have Q1, J1 and J2. Let's say we need to keep symbols used in a client's project in a global library. So our global library will be stored here and will have the name client. Here it is. We can pin the library to the top of the list. If you want to add symbols to it, you can simply copy them into it and make a collection of client-specific symbols, for instance. Now you need a local or a project-specific library that will be stored inside the project folder named local. Our new library will be called Lesson 1. KiCad needs to reload all symbol tables, so the best way is to close and open the symbol editor. Let's add some symbols to it, the same way as before. And we will also pin it to the top. Another option for adding symbol to a project is to export them into that particular library. Go to File, Export Symbols. Choose the library name. Note the 2 checkboxes at the bottom. The first exports the power symbols and the second relinks the schematic with the exported symbols. After reopening the symbol editor, you can see all the exported symbols in our project-specific library. Instead of copying existing symbols, we are going to create a new one with a little help from KiCad libraries. Here is the Diotec semiconductor website. I want to prepare a symbol for the 3-phase bridge rectifier. Let's say DB15-01. The recommended symbol contains 3 AC inputs and 2 DC outputs. We will need this 3D model soon. I'm happy there is such a nice model here. The datasheet says the same symbol shape. KiCad standard library contains a different 3-phase bridge rectifier, but we will customize it to our needs. This one looks promising. I am copying it to our global library client. Now the AC ports are numbered 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. The small wave symbol helps with the port identification. We can use a text field with the tilde character. The DC plus is 4 and the DC minus is 5. Now the symbol attributes. We will create the footprint in the next video. The datasheet and description will be new. Datasheet link is here. The description is on the Diotec semiconductor product page. Nice. But I know that the AISLER lovely library contains more fields. Here, MPN with the part number, MFG with Diotec and AIS-LIB with true flag. What is missing now is the footprint. Watch the next video to see the entire footprint creation process.